analytics area where you can actually break down and have that chart-based aspect in terms of your business. So this is now we're getting into the details in terms of what you're looking at. In terms of how your business is doing, do those comparisons between years to see if you're increasing or if things are going down, if what can be done based on different statistics in the system. So right here on the left hand side we have your revenue for the previous year, and on the right hand side your revenue for the current year. So I can quickly do a quick comparison in terms of charts, how I'm doing between previous or even current. I can adjust it if necessary to see. I'm not limited to just last year. This year, I went back to 2017. Let's say I want to compare 2017 to 2019 or 2017 to 2018. Here I can have some breakdown. And I can even go a little bit further. I can drill down to specific months. So let's say, for example, I want to compare March of 2017 with March of 2018. Here we can see the breakdown as each day of that month, go down to line graphs, pie charts, and such like. And all of this is printable, exportable right from within the system. So you have your analytics to do your quick comparisons and see how things are going business-wise. If you wanted the actual raw data itself, here we have the type detail. So based on the dates that I'm looking at, so let's say, for example, I wanted to look at, let's just say all of last year. Here I can get the breakdown based on all of my types, time frame I'm looking at, if there were any maintenance pencilings occurring over that time. So if you had to close off any of your units for some sort of maintenance, that would affect your occupancy, because that would be removing that unit from your inventory. Your reservation days, so how much days are actually booked. Your unit days, so how much bookable days you actually had. Percentage occupancy, total revenue, total tasks, estimated average daily rate, your revenue per available room, the number of reservations occurring in between that time, and you can even get the average length of stay. Let's say, let's say these were like the cabins here, and you wanted to look at each individual cabin, because let's say one cabin, you want to compare how things are going between the two, because I have two different cabins here. So let's say select that, and I can drill down now to the individual unit level. So now I can compare between one cabin and the other cabin, or whatever unit type it might be. So you're not limited to just the type base that you're looking at, but you can drill down to each individual unit and see what that's producing. Here we have the pace. Let's say you want to do a comparison between time frames for each of the types. Set your dates accordingly. I'll do 2017. And compare 2018. So here I can get that quick comparison between your years. You can see how each type is actually doing comparison-wise. And also have your revenue broken out by multiple methods, whether it's by unit type, revenue and occupancy, maintenance wise, your client analytics, whether it's by source for how your revenue came in, whether it's through your website, through channels, have it broken down by your different rate structures or even location for where your customers are located. Even have it broken down by promo codes to see how that's doing, and marketing different aspects as well. So you can have that breakdown in terms of your revenue based on multiple different aspects of the system. And then what you can even do is, you're not limited to just breaking out your data by these methods. You now can see the raw data, and what you can do from there is actually export your information by just an easy click of a button where you have all of your data available to you, and you can select specific aspects that you would like to export to, let's say, like a spreadsheet where you can manipulate the data for your own custom reports, or you want to generate your own tasks, but you have the information available to handle in whatever means decided.